Hi, this is Emily, the reference librarian, and today I would like to highlight the Chilton Auto Repair Database. So the first thing you'll do is go to preblelibrary.org. Then once you're there, you'll click on eLibrary and then Research Databases. And the database page is divided into categories, and you will find Chilton Library under the Automotive category. So you'll click on that. At this point, if you are on your home computer, the system may ask you for your library card number. So once we get to this page, we'll choose your vehicle. I'm just kind of making one up at random here. You'll choose the year, the make, and the model, and then hit select. And Chilton Library is great for a lot of things. It's got repair data for your car, maintenance, labor estimating, bulletins, and recalls. So we'll look at repair first. Okay, to find information on your car, you can click on one of the topics on the left, or you can do a search for something in the search box. Since it appears they've already looked for brake fluid, we'll go ahead and do that again. Okay, then it shows you all the articles that match, and you'll click on the one that is closest to what you're looking for. And you'll see pictures, diagrams, or step-by-step instructions, depending on what you look up. This one appears to have step-by-step instructions with pictures, which is pretty cool. You can also use the Maintenance tab to and fill out all this information to figure out scheduled maintenance intervals for your car. Labor estimating will give you an idea of how much work it will take to fix a certain thing in your car. Fortunately, there are no results for brake fluid. There's also bulletins and recalls, where you can look up your car's information and see if any bulletins or recalls have been issued recently. And as one final note, I'd like to mention that if you're studying to be a mechanic or work in the automotive field, that Chilton also offers test prep quizzes. And you would click on any of these links to take the quiz. So that's a quick overview of the Chilton Library. You can also find it on your mobile device if you download the SEO Libraries app and go to Discover More. If you have any questions, please contact your local library. Thank you.